Hey guys, what's up? Joshua here with Simple Keys. Welcome back to another video. In this lesson, we're going to learn a sweep movement, and usually this movement is played when it's time to resolve a movement or resolve a song. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this. It shouldn't take too long to break down. We're going to be using some very simple movements, and you can take this and add it to your playing. So if you haven't already, I have a guide that you can download over at the site. It's going to walk you through all the 12 major and minor keys. So go ahead and check that out. And if you also want to learn how I'm able to pick up a lot of these movements and play a lot of the songs that you hear within a couple of minutes, I show you the exact steps that I took to break away from playing traditional classical music to learning how to play music by ear. So I take you through the fundamentals, chords, progressions, and how to break down songs. So go ahead and check that out if you want to learn more. And if you haven't already and you want to take your playing to the next level, I highly recommend joining the Simple Keys Lab. If you're not able to find a complete lesson of a movement, of a song, you should be able to find it in the lab. So I'll also have that link down in the description as well. So go ahead and check that out. All right, so let's quickly get into this movement. You hear this a lot in talk music, and you can use it a lot in gospel music as well. So I'm gonna play it in context real quick so you can see how I would use it every now and then. So let's get right into it. So it's gonna start like this. So that's just a brief example of how I would resolve that movement. So what we're trying to go for is, so let me break it down over here. This is a very simple movement. It sounds like a lot is going on, but we're really just working with thirds. So we're going from, the notes we're really playing are these. All right. So we're playing like an A flat third, A flat and C, G flat and B flat, E flat and G flat, F and A flat. These are all thirds, okay? Now what we're doing with this movement is that we're moving these notes. Instead of playing the third this way, we're taking the highest note and bringing it down to our left hand. And right hand's gonna play just this movement right here. So it's gonna sound like this when you play the movement this way. Now to add both hands, left hand is going to start on the first tone because we're in the key of D flat for this. So we're in D flat. So we're going to go. So what's really helping make a movement is keeping your finger down on that first tone, which is the D flat. So. Same for your right hand, where you keep both fingers on that D flat, then you play the movement in between. Creates a really nice feel. Okay, then once you get that down, you'll be able to add grace notes and things of that nature. So I just added a grace note here. Same movement. I really like the sound down here. So and I also did one more thing here where I kind of went similar movement. I'm just kind of messing around with it. So if you want to learn that, it's going to go. It's like a flat 7, which is like a B, G flat, B flat. Like a B flat, G flat, G flat, D flat, and bring it back to the top. All right, one more time. All right, and you can use this movement in any key. D flat again, D major. E flat major, back to D flat. All right, right, so mess around with this and you should be able to get it down. It's a fairly simple movement that you can use to help you resolve a song or a movement. So one more time. Alright, so have fun with this one. Let me know if you found this helpful. Leave your feedback in the comment section, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Now take care.